good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's your girl once again, Mabel in Hamburg. If this is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video, and also don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're my old returnee, thank you all. Thank you for being subscribed, and thank you for staying subscribed. So as you are seeing on the title, it's an unboxing review. Yeah, so let's get started. The first is this goodie from Hermes. So actually I wanted this over a year ago. I placed an order, like I wanted something big, and I placed an order and they haven't called me for that, and this came earlier. Okay, let me say earlier, after a year. So they just called me for this after a year of waiting, you know. And also this new goodie from Louis Vuitton, and you guys already know what's in here because I did a review of Samara's gift. So, and I also mentioned on that video that I will also be getting mine. And actually when I picked this up, I later changed my mind, but I changed my mind that I will be giving this to Samida. So let's get started, guys. So some of you that are used to Hermes, you guys know already what's in here. This kind of box, you guys know already. And yeah, the proof of purchase in here. And oops, see. So this. So let's get started. I always love the way they wrapped this. Okay. You guys might have known already what's in here. You guys know already. So it came with this. Oh, something else is in here. What's this? Okay, there's a little booklet of how to care for it. A care instruction booklet. So it comes with this Hermes dust bag. And they turn it around. Oh no, it's right. Oh my god! Look at this pink! Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This pink is stunning. Everything. Oh my goodness, this pink is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It's a Hermes Evelyne, a mini Evelyne, and you can also call it the TPM. This is the mini size, the smallest size of the Evelyne. So yeah, the mini, and this color is called the rose azalea. Looks, this pink is so beautiful. Like, oh my god, this pink is so beautiful. And it comes with a silver hardware. This is the smallest type. Okay, so guys, inside we have this strap, the unadjustable strap. Yeah, so I really love the strap. The strap is really beautiful. So this is the strap, also with the gold, also with the silver hardware, and this is, so I love this beautiful strap. And yeah, so I'm 1 meter 67. Let's try them on. So going back to the next unboxing, and Louis Vuitton, and let's see. Yeah, actually the Louis Vuitton dust bag. It's the Louis Vuitton Christmas animation. Yeah, the mini pochette again, but this is the Christmas exclusive or limited edition for Christmas. And yeah, it does come in few numbers, and yeah, so I was able to score this, and I will give this to Samida for a birthday present. So actually this is gonna be for Samida. Look at how it looks, this beautiful pink. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. Made in France, made in France. And yeah, with the gold hardware, and inside is really beautiful. It has this pink, that's this pink lining on it, with this pink lining, and this is beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. This is really beautiful. This is how it looks. So if you want to see what fits inside, so I will be showing the video when I did the review of Samara's and mini pochette. And yeah, they are the same size, just because of the Christmas animation. It has this beautiful detailing with the colors, and yes, this is really beautiful. And actually, maybe when I will borrow it from her, so I will be using this strap, the strap on. So actually you can also use this strap on this Louis Vuitton backpack. So you can use the strap also, like if you want it longer, you want to carry it as a crossbody. So because this is really small, you know, you can only just carry this like this. And but if you want to carry it as a crossbody, so you can use this strap or any other strap that you have that really match to the color, because they are just the same Louis Vuitton strap. So So, and the color, oh my god. And if I also want to change the color for her, like I can also change the color with this this Fendi strap. She can also use it because I think the color also kind of mashed together with this animation here. So you know, the color kind of like mashed together with this animation here, I think. So I can also change it with this. So, so here, this is the Christmas edition. Actually, this is how it looks with a Louis Vuitton backpack strap, and yeah, so it looks so beautiful with this beautiful dress from Marjay and my So loves, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell and also share my videos, like, comment, and yeah, also check my playlist. And yeah, I have five different playlist from Massimo Dutti, from Zara, my luxury playlist, so you guys can also watch that. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. So I will be uploading 3 times a week because of work, and yeah, that's gonna be Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, so see you bye.